Next sequence, leg bent out. So we move the leg out and place a cushion on our lap. Make sure the client is comfortable. You're gonna feel a stretch. A slight stretch is fine. Then palm press on the outer foot, on top of the foot and top of the thigh. Move in and out from the knee down to the groin and up. Alternate walking, then calf and thigh as seen on the video. Always move up and down. You can also do one extra round to make it more flowing. That's up to you. Then top of the thigh. We call it butterfly press. To the knee, but never touch the knee, very important. Then we move back as we started, alternate walking, calf and thigh. Important is always keep a good rhythm, follow your own rhythm. You will develop your own rhythm while you massage, experience and move on with your technique. Just watch carefully and follow the moves. Then at the end, chop the leg, the thigh, down to the ankle, up and down. And this is the end of this sequence. Move the leg down, change your own position. This sequence is called bowling, so we stretch the leg to the outside, slightly stretch, and 1, 2 and 3, and back to number 2. Place, cup the knee and move with the inside hand to the groin. 1, 2, 3. The last position, hold for 10 seconds. Important is that the arms are straight. Release slowly. Butterfly press. Start from the groin to the knee. Always be careful, never touch on the knee. It's very uncomfortable to press on the joints. And move back to the groin. Rhythmic movements back and stop in front of the knee.